If you don't like surprises but still find yourself in a pickle, stay calm and listen up. What if your plane loses all its engines at 35,000 feet? Most people think the plane would just drop, but actually modern aircraft can glide for miles. A Boeing 747, for example, can glide about 100 miles from cruising altitude without power. Pilots are trained for this situation. And history has proven that even with total engine failure, a safe landing is possible. Think of famous incidents like Air Transat Flight 236 or the Gimli glider. Would you stay calm in this situation? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing aviation facts.